The G5 governors don meet with President Bola Tinubu for Abuja. Welcome country people to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button. E go ring you alert once we drop updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Country people, former governor of Ekiti State, Ayodele Fayose, FCT Minister Nyesom Wike, former governors of Benue and Abia States, Samuel Otom and Okezie Ikpeazu respectively, they don meet with President Bola Tinubu for Presidential Villa, Abuja. The fifth governor wey dey make dem G5 na be Seyi Makinde. E not dey with them for the visit. The G5 governors, as they dey call them then, they self-styled themselves as the Integrity Group. They be the group of 5 governors from the People's Democratic Party (PDP). The governors then refused to support Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the PDP, because they believe say the presidency supposed to rotate from the north to the south. For their view, Atiku Abubakar to become president after 8 years of President Buhari for amount to 2 consecutive presidents from the north, and that one go come negate inclusivity and rotational presidency. The governors them then they rely on the strength of the zoning principle when e dey the PDP constitution, so they refuse to support the emergence of their party presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar, and for the general elections they work against their candidate. They support another candidate. They can become a powerful bloc for the People's Democratic Party. They can resemble the 2013 coalition of PDP governors when they know as G7 governors, when they object to the emergence of President Goodluck Jonathan as the presidential candidate. This group of 5 governors, except Seyi Makinde, they don't go visit President Tinubu. Although details of the meeting they not talk am yet, but it dey very clear say the meeting get to do with the 2027 election.